I'm your Satya Mishra. Today I'm here with a new topic of current affairs series of 2024, day 26th of June. Special current affairs series. I'm so sorry because I not taken the session last 2-3 days of current affairs, especially not taken. And for you all, one very good news have you can now study on MAB Academy also. As you are studying in MAB classes, as per you can study in MAB Academy also. Both platform for ready for SSC. Similar content have similar everything have extra level, next level, ordinary level content you will get to find out. MAB classes level will be high and MAB Academy level will be something below, just because the reason behind this scene is only one of them, because MAB classes running from long period. MAB Academy recently started have, that's reason few content which on past content have those is extra in MAB classes have. Clear? So without wasting time, we are going to start our recently started session. Okay, so today we will study once again. Okay, today we will study current affair of 26th of June. Which current affair? 26th of June of 2024. Clear? We will study this day current affair. We will study and we will look the most important current affairs. Most important current affairs we will see here. That mean important we will discuss only important content. Clear have? So let's start right now with motivational line. Motivation for the day. Motivation for the day. Clear है? Okay, just a second, wait. The change that you wish, the change that you wish to see in the world, the change that you wish in the world do in yours. That means the changes you wish to see in the world, those changes you firstly do in yourself personally. If you want to see the changes in the world, clear, those changes you see in yourself, those changes you do in yourself. Clear have? Most important thing, you changes do in yourself, no need to see in the world around. Clear? Now start with the question. First question is, India has been ranked 63rd on a global energy transition index clear have, released by which organization? Released by which organization? Clear? Option number first, United Nation. Option number second, World Bank. Option third, International Energy Agency बेटा, इंटरनेशनल एनर्जी agency. And next is World Economic Forum. World Economic Forum. Clear है बेटा? Question was saying India has been ranked 63rd on a global energy transition index released by which organization? United Nations, second World Bank, third International Energy Agency, and fourth is World Economic Forum. Right answer will be beta World Economic Forum. World Economic Forum. Option number 4 is the right answer. World Economic Forum. Clear है बेटा? World Economic Forum. We have to see the importancibilities of the questions which is asking level half. Most important part I have, you have to face, you have to understand. Clear? Next. All right. Next question was saying India hosted the second number. India hosted the council meeting of International Sugar Organization Clear है? In which city? In which city? Options are New Delhi, Mumbai, Uttar Pradesh, Indore. Question what saying beta? Question saying India hosted the council meeting of International Sugar Organization in which city beta? Clear है? Sugar organization beta, International Sugar Organization, ISO, International Sugar Organization, in which city council meeting hosted beta? So answer will be beta New Delhi. What have New Delhi? New Delhi is the right answer of this question. Clear है? Now move on for next question, which is most important. Have number 3rd. What's saying question? The 4th Joint Air Force. Okay, the 4th Joint Air Force exercise HOP X between India and Egypt. India and Egypt. Clear? Took place at which air base? And options is beta Berighat Air Base, second Hindon Air Base, and third is beta Gwalior Air Base. And fourth is beta Pathankot Air Base. Clear beta? Question what saying this, understand. The fourth joint air force exercise HOPEX. Exercise fourth beta exercise what है beta? HOPEX. What have HOPEX between India and Egypt. Between India and Egypt took place at which air base? Understand. Right answer Beri Ghat Air Base. Number first option Beri Ghat Air Base. Clear है? Beri Ghat Air Base is the right answer of this question. Clear है बेटा? Okay. Now next question. Number fourth. Clear? Number fourth most important have we will practice of this. Okay, important civilities everyone's have. And okay, question saying the government of India has the government of India has okay approved new interstate transition interstate transition clear system interstate transition system. That means can say beta ISTS scheme beta scheme to evacuate can say evacuate how much repower from Rajasthan clear have and Karnataka option what have beta 3ZW option 2 7ZW next option 9ZW next is 12ZW. Okay, clear have question saying the government of India has approved new interstate transition system. New interstate transition system scheme is ISTS. Okay, ISTS means scheme which is evacuate how much repower 3 number fan. Okay, repower from Rajasthan and Karnataka. Clear have Rajasthan and Karnataka total how much have beta? So 9ZW have how much have 9ZW. Clear 9ZW. Understand? Now fifth number saying Paul Thomas MD and CEO of ESAF Small Finance Bank has been elected as chairperson of the clear have board of which association association beta. Clear? Have association. Clear? And options are yes a dham, yes a dham, option B NABARD, NABARD, option 3 SIDBI, yes I SIDBI, SIDBI, option 4th is MFIN, MFIN. Clear? Have? Okay, so here light issue have, we have to stop this session. Clear? At per you are last looking this question firstly complete. Paul Thomas, MD CEO of ESAF Small Finance Bank has been elected as the chairperson of the board of which association? Right answer will be beta, right answer will be yes dham. Okay, right answer option number first, yes dham. Clear? Have? Yes dham. Understand? Yes dham is the right answer. Clear? Yes dham, option number first is the right option. Have yes dham. Got my point? Okay, this is the right answer, yes dham. Option number last is the right answer of this question. Clear? Okay, now move for the next question. Done है, just second wait. And Gaurav Banerjee, next question. Next question number 7th, what saying? Gaurav Banerjee, Gaurav okay, Gaurav Banerjee has been appointed, okay, has been appointed as the new managing, as the new managing director and chief executive, director and chief executive officer in option can say salt CEO. Clear? Of which company? Of which company? Clear? Have? Options are Sony Picture Networks, Sony Picture Networks, and second option is Star India, and the third option is Z Entertainment, Z Entertainment, and next answer is beta Viacom 18, Viacom 18. Clear? Have? Question saying Gaurav Banerjee has been appointed as the new managing director, MD and chief executive officer, MD and CEO. Gaurav Banerjee has been appointed the new managing director and chief executive officer which company? So company name beta what have? Sony Pictures Network, Sony Pictures Network new MD and CEO who became have beta? So Gaurav Banerjee. Right answer got have? Cleared? Okay. And next question, this question number was 5th or 6th have. I think this question was 6th have, not 7th. I'm sorry. 7th number question. Okay, Anuj Tyagi अनुज त्यागी has been elevated clear है बेटा as the new managing new MD and CEO बेटा MD and CEO of which company बेटा CEO of which company बेटा क्लियर है CEO of which company ऑप्शंस आर बेटा ICICI ओके लंबर्ड है लंबर्ड जनरल इंश्योरेंस and second HDFC Ergo Journal Insurance and next thing number third beta Tata AIG Journal Insurance clear have question what saying Anuj Tyagi has been elevated as the new MD and CEO of which company new CEO and MD Anuj Tyagi okay beta for HDFC Ergo second option HDFC Ergo Journal Insurance Company HDFC Ergo Journal Insurance Company Anuj Tyagi new MD and CEO have okay clear matter clear have okay now question number next clear just second wait okay very good question number 8 yes and global rating retained India's GDP growth forecast for the current financial okay year at percent what percentage option 56 5.6% 6.5% 5.6% 6.8% and fourth is 3.2 percentile question was saying beta yes and global rating retained India's GDP growth forecast for the current financial year at what percentage ऑप्शन 6.5, 5.6, 6.8, 3.2. राइट आंसर नंबर थर्ड 6.8. Hope you understand very good. Yes, any problem then you make comment. Next question, number 9th question. What saying beta? Question saying the share of term deposit, the share of term deposit, okay, the share of term deposit offering 7%, okay, 7% and above interest rate has jumped to what percent of bank's total TDS at March end 2024. Options beta 33.64 percentile. Option second beta 50 percentile, 64.4 percentile, 70.2 percentile beta. Again listen, the share of term deposit, share of which thing beta? Term deposit. What offering? Offering 7% at above interest rate has jumped to what percent of the bank's total TDS at March end 2024 beta? How much share have? 64.2 percentile. Clear have? Hope you understand everyone. Any problem then make comment. I am ready to make you sure everything as per I can do it all best level. And thank you so much for your best support and understanding to us. Hope we are offering you my best and our full practice on as per level, our full content as per level, which is very helpful for your examination perspective. So best of luck you all one guys. Thank you so much to all the best episode of Current Affair 26th of June 2024 and maybe classes with your Satyam Vishwasa. And thank you so much once again you everyone. Congratulations for your every upcoming examination. Best of luck. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.